Hey, what's going on, everybody, and welcome back to my channel, Cooking with Chef Monty. If you're new here, do me a favor and hit that red subscribe button. It's free, and also the post notification bell so you'll get notified when I'm dropping new content. Guys, I know it's been a couple months. I've been busy. It's been a lot going on, but I'm back with the jump off, and we got IHOP blueberry homemade pancakes, Chef Monty's way. Yes, so let's get straight into the video. I'm adding in my flour. All the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box below. So I did flour. I'm doing my dry ingredients, which was baking powder and also baking soda. We're going to go ahead and sip that together so our batter can be smooth as a baby's bottom. You already know what it is, getting all them lumps out of it. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our sugar, which I'm doing now, and then we're just gonna let that rock to the side while we mix in our wet ingredients. Let the music drop. All right, guys, so what we have there is our milk and also 1 egg. So we're going to go ahead and give that a crack and mix that together. Again, all ingredients and measurements will be found in the description box below. Let the music drop. Hey y'all, FYI, I know y'all feeling the little congos and stuff going on in the background, but make sure you use a bigger bowl when you're mixing your wet ingredients. I had a time trying to mix the milk and the egg together, or trying to get the egg incorporated with the milk. As you can see, it was all over my countertop, but use a bigger bowl. Let the music drop. All right, y'all, we're back. I know y'all was feeling the music, but we're adding in our wet ingredients with our dry ingredients, and we're going to mix that into incorporated. One thing that I did have to do for this recipe was go back and add maybe like 1/4 cup of flour, because I don't like my pancake batter to be runny. I like it like slim thick. So in the middle of being slim, in the middle of being, a little chunky, a little thick, so it was perfect. So it's up to you. You want to keep it how it is, perfect. But for me, I went back and added a little bit more flour just so that my pancake batter can hold up on the McGriddle with the blueberries, as you're about to see right now. Boom. So we already got my McGriddle buttered. I used unsalted butter because I didn't want to add to or take away from the flavor of the batter. You always want to wait at least 30 seconds, which I did not. 30 seconds before you add in your blueberries or any type of fruit that you may be adding into your batter, just so that your batter doesn't spread any further and you got a pole bunion pancake or whatever like that. But yeah, putting on the blueberries, I'm telling y'all, these joints came out strictly amazing. Pushing the butter on the sides of it, so everybody loves those crispy edges on IHOP's pancakes. So yeah, you got to make sure it do what it do. Let the beat drop. All right, y'all, we're back. As you can see, when you start to see the bubbles forming around the outside edges of the pancake, it's time to give it a flip. Now, y'all, I was having a terrible time with this spatula. I don't know where I got this from, but this was like, oh. But I finally got the gist of it. I finally got the hang of it. You got to work with what you got to work with. As you can see, the pancake is golden brown, y'all. And I didn't record me doing all 5 of them. I just showed y'all this one, just for an example. But listen here, y'all. Boom, look at that stack of pancakes. So we're going to take some syrup. I got some butter syrup that I'm going to drizzle down on the sides and let it fall down. Next, we're probably going to add in some nice fresh blueberries that we're going to garnish our plate with. Oh, yeah, garnish, Monty. Boom, boom, boom. Then we're going to take a little bit of powdered sugar, and we're going to top that on top with a little melted butter, y'all. And then we're going to cut it, and you're going to see what it do. Oh, shucks. Here comes the snow. Here come the winter. Yeah, y'all. Oh, my gosh. It was, when I say delicioso, it was amazing. I bid everyone to try this recipe. It was strictly the bomb. And y'all, check these pictures out. Y'all can't tell me. Restaurant quality at home. Thanks to the chef. You already know what it is, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and also share. God bless you.